Hello Catskins, and in today's video we are gonna work on a project called Evolve. So you can see like this thing is completely vibe coded, but it took a lot of time for me though I used Google Gemini 3.0 Pro, that too from anti-gravity. But my goodness, I mean I have to say that it's good, but to be frank, right? You need to be very good at prompting, and if you're not good at prompting you're gonna face hell lot of issues. So let me show you the changes as of now. Actually, I started coding long back. I mean, vibe coding long back, and later I just gave some prompts to, tweak some changes, and now here are they. So they're not so important. Just have a look at it, right? And basically, next what I'm going to do is, I'm going to commit my changes to Git repository. So it'll take a while for me. So yes, here we are. And let me let me think, what should I commit it as? mm, okay, let me just put it as login page UI. uh okay, I think this will do, right? Then let me just sync the changes. Like, let me just push it to my Git, and fine. With this we complete our first committing session of Evolve project. And man, the amount of mess up I've had in this whole time, right? I can't even say to you. Like, okay, let's keep it simple. The first video is just gonna be about, the basic overview of my login page of Evolve project. I'm not going to even break your heads about what are all the issues that I faced and how I actually sorted it out. But yeah, we'll keep that for the later videos. But as of now, let's just get back to the basics, okay, of Evolve project. Basically, what this is, yeah, I'm not going to reveal what this is, but I'll just say you how I created my login page, right? Let's keep that for our, basic first episode. Okay, so this is the changes as of now, and let me just say, like, what is the theme of this project? So if you see my project, you have that evolve written, and you have the rain. Like, you have seen the movie Matrix. Like, this is called the Matrix rain, right? So I said, and when you reload, you have that glitchy effect, and every once in 3 seconds you have the glitch, and you have the Google Auth button in the center, right? So this is the main theme of the project. And yeah, I didn't get this in my first iteration. Let me be very frank. It took like about, I think, 2 hours or something. And later I got this particular format ready to use. And for the part of database and authentication, what are we using? We are going to use AppWrite. So why though? Because it's generous. You get 2 free project to create. That's one thing. And folks, let me say you one thing. You see all those YouTube gurus, right, who are teaching like build app in 5 minutes, Google build, all those things. Let me say you one thing very clear. For simple projects, really, those things work, right? Like, for example, a simple calendar app, or maybe, to basically create an image generation or some sort of simple apps like that. I say simple because Google builds it very well because it's native to them. But if you're trying to do something from scratch, right, and you're using an IDE, actually, you're gonna face hell, dude. Really, because you need to take care of authorizations, then database, everything. Yeah, you have many database like Superbase and AppWrite itself, which will help you. But still, if you're not good at configuring them, you're going to face hell for sure. And small nuggets of wisdom, please, if you are doing web coding, please make sure that you actually review your code again and again before you push to Git. Reason being, I didn't do that once, and my Gemini API key got exposed publicly, and I had to delete that API key and create a new one. So please take care of such things. And yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, let me just say one more thing. Like while configuring app, right, there was some issue. So I had to again recreate my authentication, and now it's working. More on that later in upcoming episodes. The next episode is going to be about all the issues I faced to create the basic login page actually. So this is going to be a huge episode, right? This is not going to be one single video like other YouTubers who just do everything in a very short time, and most probably you people will not even get dopamine seeing my videos because it's very mildly edited, very less visuals, and I'm just going to give you an overview and what you are supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do. That's it. So see you soon, people, and subscribe to keep track of this project as well. Many more things, many tech related things in the future.